How is your Tuesday going? Today is Tuesday over here. Woo, so bright. Are you sure you not put off this light? Anyways, it's Tuesday. I want to go to the market, so this is going to be a market vlog. But actually, I'm not actually going to buy anything, but I will buy something. I'm going somewhere around that axis of Port Harcourt. I figured I should just use the opportunity to get some stuff. I'm wearing this jumpsuit from H&M. So I stopped by at NEPA office. I want to do some transaction, and guess what? They just took the light and they changed over to inverter inside NEPA office. And we're complaining that we don't have light. If NEPA office doesn't have light, who are you? We are done with my errands, so now it's time to go to the market. This is where the market vlog is going to start properly. So I stopped at this bank to do some transaction. Like I want to get cash basically. I want to get money from the ATM.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
I've arrived the market. Thank you, ma. So this market can be confusing. Yeah, I'm at the market now, so I just parked my car, then I will come out and start using my Legacy Benz to complete this trip. Okay, now let's get shopping.
Let's figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if let's figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can see I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. I really wanna know if let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling
One chop up, if you want to finish your money, you need to finish. You get sweet loss,
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. Seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Bright blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Bright blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways that I'll be thinking about how it's me. If I'd stayed in my city. Bright blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
Hey guys, so I'm done. Let me do a quick haul and show you guys the things I got. You guys already saw that in the vlog, but yeah, let me keep you guys here. Let me show you guys the things I got. I got Oporo, and Oporo now is 4,000. I got it for 5,000, but because she's my friend, she said 4,800 last, because I heard her say, although she was trying to deny it, but I heard her say 4,800, and I told her, madam, you said last 4,800. Else I'm sure it's 5,000. Everybody is selling 5,000, so that's what we have here. I got just one because I already have some at home. My husband got some from his customers, so I already have some at home. Then I got crayfish. Crayfish is 3.5. I think 3.5 is what we got it last, right? The last time we came to this market, how much did we get it for? I think 3.5. I'll go back and watch that video and see if it's added. Of course, the Oporo added. They said it was even way more expensive as at last month. It's actually coming down. Then I got fresh fish. That fresh fish you guys saw, I want to make a small fresh fish soup, no meat, just fresh fish and seafood that I'm going to have for dinner. So that's why I got that one. Where else did I also get? I think you guys just saw it. I got dry pepper. I don't think you guys saw that. I got dry. You did see that I got dry pepper. I made sure they grind it in the market because my blender won't make it very smooth. Then yeah, basically I just decided to use one stone and kill two birds. Whenever I come to this market, I try to, or whenever I come to this part of Port Harcourt, I try to stop at this market and get something. So far, yeah, it wasn't so expensive, and December is quick approaching. I was expecting the things to be more expensive, for it's bearable. Okay, it's bearable. I won't lie, compared to the way other things are expensive. Yeah, we've come to the end of this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like this video, thumbs up, give me a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Okay,
even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.